Dear students, welcome to your English language online lessons. Today we are going to continue our new model, Model 4. So please, students, take your students book, page 76-77. Take your students book, page 76 and 77. Before we start the lesson, will contains the following. So we have vocabulary, containers and quantities in grammar. Some, any, few, little, lot of, too much, too many, how much and how many. And in writing, write a paragraph about what you eat for breakfast, lunch and dinner. You supposed that you write this paragraph 2 weeks ago. And now let's go to the page. Good. So the main topic of this lesson is food for a day. Food for a day. So look at the pictures and tell me what you see. Good. So we have pictures of food and we have paragraphs and also we have what? We have a person who is swimming. So let's start with reading. 1. A. Who's the man in the picture? What do you know about him? Which of the foods, drinks in the pictures does he eat, drink each day? Listen and read to find out. Listen and read to find out. So, as the question says, who is the man in the picture? So let's find out. Okay, food for fall. Okay. Michelle Phillips, the famous Olympic gold medalist from Baltimore, USA, has a lot of medals. He also follows a special diet. Every day he eats 3 meals of 4,000 calories each. So this is a famous person who won a gold medalist in the USA for swimming competition. So let's read the meals he got in the day. So 3 meals, as they said, in the day contains 4,000 calories each. So let's start with breakfast. So 3 fried eggs sandwiches with cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, fried onions and mayonnaise, 2 cups of coffee, an omelette with 5 eggs, a bowl of porridge, 3 slices of bread topped with sugar, 3 chocolate pancakes. So this is for breakfast. For lunch, a bowl of pasta with tomato sauce, 2 large ham and cheese sandwiches with mayonnaise, 2 bottles of energy drink. For dinner, a bowl of pasta with tomato sauce, 6 to 8 slices of pizza, and 2 bottles of energy drink. Good. Very good, excellent. Now reread the 2 paragraphs to make it easy for you to answer the questions. So now, as we said, A, an answer key. I give you the answer key. Okay, it's a general information about Michelle Phillips. So Michelle Phillips was born on 30th June Give me the date. 1985 in Maryland, USA. He started swimming at the age of 7, and at the age of 15 he won 5th place in the 200-meter butterfly race at the Olympics. In 2001, he was the youngest person to break a world record in swimming. He has 16 Olympics medals, 14 gold and 2 bronze. Good. So the second part of the question is, which of the food drinks in the picture does he drink each day? So we have here the coffee, chocolate pancakes, ham and cheese sandwiches, pasta with tomato sauce, omelette, energy drinks, and pizza. So all this food is a part of his meals in a day. So B. Tell the class what Phillips eats during a typical day. Tell the class what Phillips eats during a typical day. So, this is the question. This is the answer for question B. Michael Phillips has 3 meals a day. For breakfast, he had 3 fried egg sandwiches with cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, fried onions, and mayonnaise, 2 cups of coffee, a 5-egg omelette, a bowl of porridge, 3 slices of bread topped with sugar, and 3 chocolate pancakes. For lunch, he has a bowl of pasta with tomato sauce, 2 large ham and cheese sandwiches with mayonnaise, and 2 bottles of energy drink. For dinner, he has a bowl of pasta with tomato sauce, 6 to 8 slices of pizza, and 2 bottles of energy drinks. So, this is Philip's Philip's meals during the day or during a typical day. Good, dear students. And now let's move to grammar. So, today's grammar is what? Containers and quantifiers. Containers and quantifiers. Good. So a container is any what? Receptacle or enclosure of holding a product used in storage, packaging and flipping and shipping. Good. Now, let me give you type of containers for more understanding. And this time, I give you an example in or as a picture for more understanding. So, look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. So, we have a bottle of milk, a glass of water. Okay, this word's written in red. This is what we call container. Okay, a glass of water, a jar of water, a cup of tea, a packet of tea, a jar of honey, a loaf of bread, a slice of bread, a carton of milk, a can of Coke, and a bottle of Coke, which means Coca-Cola. Okay, this is a short form. A bowl of sugar, a kilo of meat, a bar of soup, a bar of chocolate, a piece of chocolate, a piece of cheese, and we have a piece of furniture. Okay, this is a piece of furniture. Okay, types of containers. I write the types of containers right here to make it clear for you. So please pause the video and reread the containers for more understanding. And as I said, I bring you a picture here to see the containers and how we use each container. Well done, my students. And now let's move to page 77. So we have what? Yes, we have exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with bottle, glass, cartoon, cup, bowl, packet, slice, pot, loaf, thin, and piece. So if you go back to the grammar lesson, you will answer the exercise very easily. You will answer the exercise very easily. So here we have milk, bread, tea, apple juice, bread, spaghetti, cake, ketchup, popcorn, baked beans, yogurt. So this is the pictures of each words. Look at the pictures of each words. Pause the video and try to do the exercise. Good, students, good. And now let me give you the answer. Okay, 2. Answer key. 1. A cartoon of milk. Good. 2. A slice of bread. 3. A cup of tea. 4. What? Good. A glass of apple juice. 5. A loaf of bread. 6. A packet of spaghetti. Nice. 7. A piece of cake. 8. A bottle of ketchup. Nice. 9. A bowl of popcorn. Look at this. It's a bowl. A bowl of popcorn. 10. What? Good. What? Give me the answer of 10. Good. A tin of baked beans. Look, a tin of baked beans. And the last one is a pot of yogurt. This is what we call a pot. Pot of yogurt. Make sure, please, you write the words right here. Write the words or the containers right here. And now let's move to question 3. Study the table. Fill in much, many, some, any, a lot of, a little. And as usual, we always divided the nouns as 2. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. And we have the words used with countable nouns and words used with uncountable nouns, and also for third category we have words that is used with both. So let's start with countable nouns. Okay, we have how many biscuits are there? There are too many. There are too many. So we in countable nouns we asked with how many. So the answer is there are too many. Look at the picture. There are too many. So 2. There are a lot of biscuits. Okay, a lot of biscuits. This is another way of answering. And we have there are some biscuits. Okay, some is this is from the third category, which is word used with countable and uncountable. So look at the box. There are some biscuits. Look at this one. There are few or there aren't many biscuits. Either you answer there are few or there aren't many biscuits. Look at here. No biscuits. So we answer there aren't any biscuits. There aren't any biscuits. And now let's move to the uncountable nouns. So, how much milk is there? We answer what with, there is too much milk. There is too much milk, and please pay attention. With countables, we answer with too many. With uncountable nouns, we answer with too much. So, there is a lot of. So, a lot of is a kind of word from the third category, which is words goes with countable nouns and uncountable nouns. There is some milk, and we have there is little, or there isn't much milk, and there isn't any. And there isn't any. So any is also a word goes with countable and uncountable noun. And you have here sentences to do from 1 to 5. Please make sure you pause the video and try to do the exercise before I give you the answers. Good, my dear students, and now let's see the answers. How much cheese do you need? Not much. Not much. Okay, we ask how much cheese do you need? Not much. We ask with much because cheese is uncountable. Look, because cheese is uncountable. So are there what? Are there any oranges? Yes, there are a lot of oranges, but there aren't any apples. Good. 3. There is a we said milk is uncountable noun, so we ask with many or much. Good. Much or little. There aren't very little milk left. Okay, let's buy. Okay, let's buy what? Let's buy some. Excellent. Let's buy some. Can I have some cherries? Sorry, but there aren't any. How many pears do you want? Not many, just 2. Not many, just 2. Good, my dear students. Again, make sure you write the answers in your student's book. And now let's go to exercise 4. Fill in with too much and too many. Fill in with too much and too many. Don't forget that we use many or too many with countable nouns and too much with what? With uncountables noun. Again, pause the video and try to do the exercise before I give you the answer. Good, dear students. Well done. So 1, there is what? So or too much salt in the sauce. There is too much salt in the sauce. So what? Salts, we can count salt. So it's uncountable noun. There are, so we have apples. Apples is what? Apples are what? There are too many apples in the basket. So apples are countable nouns. So we use too many. Good. 3. There are too many mushrooms in the pizza. Too many mushrooms in the pizza. Good. Yuck. There is too much sugar in the coffee. Yuck. There is too much sugar in the coffee. 5. Don't eat too many sweets. You will feel sick. Don't eat too many sweets, you will feel sick. Again, dear students, make sure you write the words in your student's book. And let's move to speaking and writing. And we have question A. Complete the questions, then your partner answer the questions. You can contact your classmate, any of your classmates, and do the exercise together. So let's complete the questions, and if you have a contact with one of your classmate friends, he or she can give you the answer, and vice versa, and also you give her or him the answer. So 1. How much water do you drink? 2. How much fruit do you eat a day? 3. How much coffee does your dad drink? 4. How many energy drinks do you drink? 5. How much meat do your parents eat a week? How much meat do your parents eat a week? Well done, my students. Make sure you write the words or the corrected words in your student's book. And let's move to B. Write a paragraph about what you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Read it to your class. I gave you this as an exercise 2 weeks before, and now you have to do this exercise. Make sure you write a paragraph about what you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And this is the last exercise in our lesson for today. But before I say goodbye, you have a homework. So go to page 116 and do exercise 1, 2, and 4. Go to page 116 and do exercise 1, 2, and 4. Unfortunately, our lesson is finished. What I can say now is see you next week, inshallah, and goodbye.